Hi, my name is Gladys with the City of Sarasota Parks and Recreation District. Today's craft is soccer ball piñata. The materials you'll need is flour, a bowl and a spoon, a cup of water, balloon, candy, newspaper, construction paper, an additional cup for your piñata. First, we're going to start with adding flour to our bowl. Now you'll need a half a cup of flour, but for demonstration purposes, I'll only do a couple spoons. Now I'm going to gradually add water. To my flour and stir. You want to continue to stir until you get a glue-like paste. Now you'll take your newspaper and cut out strips, which I already have some cut out here. And then we'll start to blow up our balloon. Now we're gonna take our strips of newspaper that we cut out, and we're gonna dip them into our glue paste that we made with flour and water. Okay. You can get some of the excess glue off, and then you're gonna start layering it on your balloon. Okay. I'll do one more. Okay. Okay, now that we have our ball that we let dry overnight at room temperature, the next step is we're going to cut a hole so that we can begin to add our candy. So you're gonna use your scissors to cut your hole, and hole should look like this. And I'm gonna go ahead and add my candy. Then you're going to take the piece that you cut out, and we're going to tape it . So I have my piece of paper where I'm cutting out pentagons to put on my soccer ball. And I already have some cut out. And a simple way to make your pentagon shapes is to make a star. Then connect the points of the star. And there you have your pentagon. Once you have your shapes, you can glue or tape them to your soccer ball. You can also add any other decorations that you want to make this more fun for you. And then the next thing is to play.